Hi everyone, Mrs. Novello in the Expressive Arts Room, and I'm going to talk to you about your quilled shapes for your dragon and how to do the quilling process. So for this project we have a variety of different quilled shapes that are required for your dragon. I want to point out a few. So within this area I have tight circles, I have connected scrolls within the neck, I have marquee within the kind of the chest area. This design you may not practice, it's really not a coil, but I did use straight lines, just strips of paper to create the ridges within the mane, or the whatever you want to call it. I used a kind of a V formation just by folding the paper into a series of V's in the interior space of the eye. And I also used teardrop for this area here. So when you're quilling your dragon, you're going to need to use a variety of different shapes, and you'll refer to those from the practice that we do in class. You will get half-inch strips of cardstock, and you will choose them in the color scheme. This is a monochromatic blue. And you should be able to pull out the pins from your framework. And I'm using tweezers because I used corrugated cardboard as opposed to foam board, and I find that tweezers work well because they're kind of sticky. I also find that when I'm placing small pieces of paper in areas, I like to use tweezers or a stylus. And for coiling, I definitely have a couple shapes of coiling tools. I'm using a stylus for my super small tight circles, a thinner pen for thinner shaped, and a regular size pencil to get larger coils. So have fun coiling or quilling your dragon. Make sure you remove your pins and put them back into the pin base so that we can save them for our next project.